When I come to position vectors, these are vectors with respect to origin. Okay, I'll explain a bit more later. Now I have A and B. They give you point A and point B, and I plotted it on my grid. Now, what are position vectors are? Okay, as mentioned, position vectors are vectors with respect to the origin. Where is the origin? 0, 0, yes. Sometimes we label it as a O. Now, what is the common vector for OA and for OB? OA is 2, 3. Am I right? So, it follows that my X follows the X, my Y follows the Y. If I give you C is 5, negative 4, my OC will be 5, negative 4. Understand? I will pose a question to you. Can you find AB without drawing, without using the grid? How do I use OA and OB to find my AB? So if I want to find AB, can I go back to origin first? I go from A to O, then I go from origin to B. Question, can I switch from AO to OA? If I switch, what must I include? Negative, very good. Okay. I make it nicer by writing OB in front of OA, like that. Okay, so I'm using my position vectors to help me find my AB, which is negative 3, 1. See, I'm doing this without using the grid. Can you look at this one? If I'm given AB, AB is OB minus OA. Now I give you a pattern. If I have PQ, can you use position vectors to help me find PQ? What is PQ? OQ minus OP. Okay, this is the main highlight and the formula for this part. Okay, remember, if they give you points and they ask you to find position vector, your position vector is relating to the origin. So OP and OQ. If P is 8, negative 2, immediately, 1 second, you should be able to write this. 8, negative 2. Immediately, when you're given coordinates of Q, you should be able to write negative 1, 7. So I mentioned PQ is related to the formula OQ minus OP. So I will just have to sub it in. Now I will find my combined vector. Answer is negative 9, 9. Okay, so with the translation vector, which just means movement from A to B, how do I find coordinates of B? As I said, I'm given AB. If you are stuck, can you go back to position vectors? OB minus OA. Okay, I know what's AB, negative 4 and 5. I don't know what's OB. Let's keep it as X and Y. What is my OA then? How do you get 6 minus 7? Use the points. Coordinates, right? 6, negative 7. Now we're just figuring out how to get X and Y. Let me bring this vector to the other side. Becomes a plus. Okay, now I can find my X and Y. So my X and Y, which is the coordinates of O and B, is 2, negative 2. Okay? And if they want coordinates, please write in the coordinate form. 2, negative 2. Okay, so this is my answer.